Can you see the line of people at Tottenham Town Hall, North London, queuing up to collect food from a church at Tottenham Town Hall? It's not only black people. Majority of them are white people. Majority are white, queuing up for food. In UK, some people think it's only in Africa that people are hungry. People are hungry also in UK. Can you see them? Look at this lady crossing now with her own trolley. You can see a lot of people. This has been going on every day in this town hall, Tottenham Town Hall. Every blessed day, people are queuing up, collecting food. In UK here in London, not London, Tottenham Town Hall, precisely. So it is not only in Africa that people are hungry. People are hungry everywhere, all over the world. Can you see them? Look at the people. Look at them. Look at them, queuing up to get something to eat. My people, please, if you're watching this video, if you have anything to give to anyone around you, it doesn't matter whether it's your relative or someone you know, just anybody at all. Any little can help. My people, please, please do this for God's sake. Can you see the people queuing up to collect food? There is hunger all over the world, not only in Africa, not only in Nigeria. Thank you for watching this video.